Good day folks, another video. I'm on a wee bikepacking trip, wee micro adventure for 2 days over to Island Jura. This is me on my second ferry trip of the day. I am at Craig going over to Port Ascade in Isla, and then I've got a wee small passenger ferry from Port Ascade over to Jura. Stunning day. So this is me on the Isle of Jura looking towards Isla, Port Ascade, and the ferry turning to go back to Pinnacle. What a stunning day. That's a wee passenger or vehicle ferry from Port Ascade to Jura, so I'll be getting that to get back over to the island on Saturday. And I'm heading towards Craig House. That's a single track road. It's about 8 miles from here, Craig House. Hi there folks, that's me just come up that wee incline, still heading towards Craig House, but I thought I'd give you a view of the Sound of Isla where the cowal ferry comes up. Stunning. Catch you later. Okay, arrived in Craig House and this is my setup, as you see. My Pinnacle Arkose. And the tent I'm using this occasion is the Oil Country Helm Comp 1. Not a bad view. There's the Caps of Jura in the distance. Staying at the Jura Hotel, which isn't actually wild camping, but it's only £10 a night. I can get a shower and I can go in and get something to eat, plus a few beers tonight. Anyway, let's see her inside the tent. Get my trusty old nanok sleeping bag, down sleeping bag, and I've got the, can't remember what the mat is, it's the big Agnes Rapide SL, and a pillow. Stunning night here in Craig House, absolutely beautiful. Weather is fantastic. As you can see, the water is flat calm. Anyway, there you are, there's the pups. And I'm heading up to the Jura Hotel for something to eat. I'll see you in the morning. Good afternoon, folks. So this is my second day on Jura, and it's Saturday the 16th of May. So I've stayed at the Isle of Jura Hotel last night, the campsite. As I said, £10 to stay in the camp field, which you have access to toilets and showers, which were very clean, I must say. Spent a few bob in the bar with meals and a couple of, well, more than a couple of beers, because I started chatting to this guy who was on holiday touring Scotland, so that was good. But I ended up as I said, with quite a few drinks. But anyway, woke up to this morning, absolutely fantastic. So today I've only cycled 4 miles. And the reason I stopped was to look at this bay, and I thought to myself, I'm going to camp here because it's absolutely smashing, beautiful, stunning. Anyway, just thought I would let you see it. And behind me is actually, you can see the paps of Jura, just the tops there. Anyway, I'll go for now. Go for a wee cycle. The bike will be a lot lighter now, so I'll be able to get some miles in, hopefully. Bye for now. So I'm back in Craig House, just down at the pier or with the jetty, and this is where you can get a ferry from Topeak to Jura. Absolutely stunning. I'll take you up, let you see the ferry. It's a passenger ferry, but it also takes push bikes. A big rib in the bay. There's the Jura passenger ferry, and it goes to Topeak in Loch Sween. What a day. And there's the Jura Hotel where I stayed last night, or the camp field, and there's the Jura Distillery, the world famous Jura Distillery for whiskey. So I've just passed through the old village of Keels. It's an old crofting village. Most of the houses are abandoned now, but there are plans to rebuild and hopefully rebuild the community here on Jura. Most of the houses, as I said, were ruins, but you can see some building work going on to bring some of them back to life again. Anyway, I'm up at the ancient cemetery in the Keels community. Lovely spot. Very, very, very quiet. And this is the graveyard. It goes back, I think, to the 17th century or before. So Jura at one time did have quite a thriving crofting community, and that is all changed. I don't know what the current population is. Anyway, don't really like to stand on the old gravestones, but some ancient gravestones here anyway. I think that mausoleum there is Clan Campbell. I also saw a plaque down there, was the last of Clan Shaw. There was a battle here and obviously they were defeated, and the rest of the clansfolk were scattered all over as a result. Yeah, the mausoleum here is to Archibald Campbell, Esquire of Jura. I see one of them, Arnold Walker, Francis Campbell, youngest son of Colin Campbell of Jura, captain of the 10th Royal Fusilier, died of his wounds received in the Battle of the Somme on 11th of August 1916, aged 28 years. So many young folk died in that First World War. Oh, I don't know about this whale swimming. Oh, Jesus. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's not bad once you get in. Oh. It's absolutely lovely once you get in. Oh. That'll do me. Stunning night once again. Just thought I'd go a wee walk. Walk before a wee drinky poo. You just let me see what it's like. It's 8 o'clock now. It's actually, I think I said in one of the previous videos that it was Saturday the 17th of May, but it's actually Friday, the 16th of May, and it's absolutely beautiful here. Anyway, I'll let you see if you want to see my mug. So I'll turn you around to see the paps of Jura, the sunlight, and the bay. Don't know if I said, this is called Corran Sands. Lovely spot, lovely spot. And if you see in the distance, I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up, that's the tops of Arran, the Isle of Arran. And before that is Kintyre, or Knapdale Peninsula. Cheers! Another fantastic viewpoint, looking at a different bay here, and then I'm panning round. I've got a cracking view of the paps. Stunning, stunning. Just on a gravel path here. It's not too bad, it's really dry. Brilliant. Had a wonderful 2 days. Weather's been fantastic. I'm going to get the 3:30 ferry back to Pinnacle today. But I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I don't know if you can hear me, but the weather, this island, this trip has been fantastic. At the moment I'm just heading down towards the ferry, the wee local Argyll and Bute Council ferry, and then I'm jumping on the Calmac. But this has been fantastic. So I'll say bye for now, and hopefully speak to you soon. Anyway, I'll just roll down this hill and let you see the last of the views.